share with you how I deep clean my kitchen. I'm going to clean out the refrigerator, the stove, the microwave. I'm going to clean out this coffee maker over here, the dishwasher. We're going to wipe down my cabinets. I'm going to clean the floors. I also include my little dining area in my deep clean because it's not really that big. It's just like a little corner. So if you want to watch that, then stay tuned and let's get right into the video. So I'm just going to start by cleaning any dishes that are in my sink, putting away any dishes that are in the dishwasher, and clearing the countertops off. Okay, first things first, I'm going to take a glass bowl, open up my dishwasher, and take my distilled white vinegar. I just got this from the dollar store. It doesn't have to be any special type of anything. And you're going to pour about a cup of vinegar into your bowl and put it on your top rack. Like so. Close it up and put it on a short cycle, the shortest cycle that you have, just to let it run through and get some of that buildup loosened up so that we can scrub it off. Okay, what I'm doing right now is I'm going to take a towel that's pretty wet and wet the top of my stove, especially in the places where there's stuck on, like burned on food. You can kind of spread it around if you'd like. Just make sure that it's actually wet, like you can see that there's water coming out of this towel. And then you're just going to take your baking soda and sprinkle it on top. Okay, and then we're just going to let that sit. While we've got the stove, the baking soda sitting on the stove to loosen up the grime that's on there, we're going to take our white distilled vinegar again, place it in a glass bowl, about a cup or so. You don't really have to measure it unless you want to, but we're just going to stick this in the microwave for about 2 minutes, and it probably will bubble over, but that's fine. It's going to help get the stuff that's stuck on loosened up so we can wipe it out. I've done to the top of the stove, I'm gonna wring this towel around and let it get all of that stuck on, burnt on food, getting it wet, and then I'm gonna sprinkle the baking soda in it. And just let it sit there. And I've already taken out my grates. Those are up here on my sink, and we're gonna clean those here in a minute. But for now, we're just gonna let this cool, or not cool, gonna let this sit and do its magic. And don't turn it on, obviously. We're just letting it sit there and get the dirt loosened. Guys, don't forget to clean the oven door. Okay, so for this part, all we're doing is wiping everything down. You're going to need your paper towels and your all-purpose cleaner. You're just going to take apart any of the pieces that are loose that can come apart and wash those separately. Okay, so I'm just going to wipe this down for now. My husband just deep cleaned this the other day, so it just needed a good wipe down.